Hey, I appreciate you for checking this out, and I just want to shoot this quick video for two different reasons, okay? Number one is you probably want to see who I am, what's the energy, and everything about me because, let's be honest, if you do not have the same vibe, even working with me for a month doesn't make sense, right? And the second thing is, of course, you want to see what it looks like to work with me. So I want to break it down for you real quick. So it's super easy, super simple, and I believe that you can do it as well. Okay? So, yeah. Here are the three main problems of most coaches. So after working and helping hundreds of coaches, I realized that these are the three main problems. Okay? The first one is leads, conversion, and limited time and energy. Okay? So the first one is leads. Okay? Most coaches don't know how to get highly qualified leads without breaking their bank. Okay? They tried a lot of Facebook ads, created website, and spend a lot on tools, but doesn't give them the result that they want. Second is conversion. Once the leads problems are solved, many coaches don't know how to handle a massive influx of conversations. They don't know how they can have better conversations with the leads in order for them to convert them or to buy from them. Okay, that's the problem, the second problem. And the third problem is this one, the limited time and energy. Once the two problems about leads and conversions are solved, okay, most coaches becomes overworked. And because of this, right, they were drained, they wanted to give up and all this stuff, right? Why? Because they become the chief everything officer. They're doing the appointment setting, they're doing the teaching, they're doing the coaching, they do the technical stuff and everything else, right? They're always on their desk and they spend so much time actually on work rather than their family. And unconsciously, they lose the freedom or the reason why they started their business. So that's why I'm here to help. Okay? So maybe your question is how to solve these problems. Okay? So we will be solving that through preparation and then solving leads problem, conversion problem, and energy and time problem one by one. Right? So let's tackle first the preparation. Okay, in the preparation, this is the most important work that we need to take in order for us to make sure that the next part of the process will work. Okay, so I'll teach you how you can optimize your profile in a way that you'll attract your ideal clients to come into your world. Okay, second thing is I'll teach you how you can optimize your profile in a way that your target audience will feel FOMO or fear of missing out if they choose not to work with you now. Okay? And third is I'll show you the coolest tool I'm using that will help us to do everything efficiently. Okay? So, yeah. Next is how do we solve the leads problem. So here, I'll teach you how to get highly qualified leads without breaking your bank. So this is like a screenshot of the tool I'm using, and this is organic. We will not spend ads on this. But as you can see here, it's very detailed. You can target specific countries. You can even put keywords or the who you want to target, okay? And who are the people you want to avoid, right? And even if you want to target people with common things with you, right? It's very, very targeted. It's so powerful. And next is solving the conversion problem. So here I'll teach you how to have better conversions with these leads, right? In order for them to convert. right? Or buy from you. Better conversations, right? And I'll even share with you the exact scripts you can use to validate your offer, the offer that we created, okay? And get your first 3 to 5 clients fast. And lastly, how do we solve time and energy problem? I'll even help you book appointments so you can focus on what you do best, transforming lives. Okay? Plus, we'll have accountability calls per week. Like, think of it like every call that you and I have, like, as me have, like, you having, like, a growth buddy, helping you out build your business the right way. So, if you need to gain clarity and certainty to keep the momentum and progress, this is what we're going to do during our calls. And my goal is for you to build a simple and authentic offer to help someone. And once you're done with the high value, high profit offer, you can just focus on creating content, serve your clients, and have better conversations faster. Again, this is the Simplified Revenue System.